This card trick has a crazy optical illusion. So let's pretend the spectator removes any card from the deck. Let's say it's this one over here. I promise my head is turned and I cannot see what the card is. What we're gonna do is take half the cards and turn them face up just like this and leave the other half face down. But what I'm gonna do is shuffle the cards so that half the cards are going face up and half the cards are going face down. And now we have this big mess of face up and face down cards. And I would let the spectator take their card and lose it anywhere into this mess, just like this. Now we truly have cards going back to face to back, all throughout the entire deck. Now, if I were to give you the deck just like this in your hand, you obviously know that the cards are shuffled face up and face down. But if you didn't know that, the deck appears to be face down because of this top card, correct? It just kind of gives the illusion that every card is facing down. Same thing if I were to turn the card face up. Now, if I square up the cards, if you didn't know any better, the cards really look like they're all facing up. Well, what if I told you that that actually can turn into a reality? If I just snap my fingers, look, the optical illusion actually will become real. And you can spread through the cards and see that now every single card truly is face up in the deck, except for one. And the only one that is facing down is none other than the Jack of Spades. This trick is completely impromptu. The first step is to let the spectator choose any card. As they're looking at the card, you're secretly just going to turn the bottom card over, just like this. If you want to have the card already turned over, that's totally fine too. But once you have the bottom card turned over, you're going to cut half the deck with your right hand, turn your wrist over, and then take the other hand and turn that wrist over as well, and use this finger to point to the face-up card. You're going to do both of these actions simultaneously and say, look, we're going to shuffle the cards so that they're going face up into face down. However, you are actually just shuffling all face up cards, and only this bottom card that you had turned over previously will be the only card facing the wrong way. Now you're going to cut in random places, showing the mess of the deck, and you're going to let the spectator place the card face down anywhere into the deck. Now you're going to hand the deck to the spectator and explain the optical illusion that they all look face down. You're going to take the top card, flip it over, and say, now they all look face up. However, if I just snap my fingers, now the trick is over, and every single card will be back to normal, except for one card, and that will be the Nine of Hearts.